Supreme Court has proposed to set up special courts for day-to-day trial of cases connected to the ethnic violence in Manipur and directed investigating agencies to expedite pending investigations. A bench of Chief Justice of India C.J.I. Surjakant and Justices Jomalia Bagchi and V. Mohana directed the Manipur government to extend full cooperation to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) and Special Investigation Teams (SITs), which are allegedly facing various difficulties in completing the probes. The bench permitted the Legal Aid Council, representing the victims, to approach the offices of the Chief Justices of the Guwahati and Manipur Chief Justices to seek the copies of the charge sheets. The lawyers will have to be provided the copies of the charge sheets within 1 week by the probe agencies. Proposing to set up special courts to conduct day-to-day trials in criminal cases, the bench asked Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhatti, appearing for the state government, SIT and the CBI, to collate information about the cases where the investigations are complete and charge sheets are filed, and also give details for those matters where probe is incomplete. The bench said it will help in finding out as to how many special courts will be needed to handle the trials expeditiously. It also asked the Manipur HC to look into cases pertaining to 30 persons who went missing after ethnic violence. The bench asked the CBI, State SIT and the court-appointed monitoring committee headed by former Maharashtra DGP Dattatreya Patsalgikar to file fresh status reports about the violence-related cases.